Hey everyone, Velar on screen. Today I'll show you how to fix error AS-3 in Epic Games. First thing you need to do is close Epic Games by right-clicking it with your mouse since I'm closing Discord. Next, you'll need to type run in the search bar or just hit execute. Click it, type in %local data %, click OK. Here we need to find Epic Games Launcher saved and delete the web cache. Make sure to delete the cache, basically clear it out completely. Next, go to Run, type cmd, open it as administrator, and type in the IP. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press enter, then close it. Next, click on View Internet Connection. Here, right-click your adapter and select Properties. Select IP version 4 here, click Properties and enter your preferred DNS. Type in 8888844 and click OK. Now let's give it a try. If that didn't help, try enabling or disabling your VPN and check the Epic Games server status in your browser. That's all. This has been Velar. See you all later.